So just keep watching the video, guys. It's gonna work for you. It's super cool. No jailbreaking. Let's go. I'm gonna show you guys exactly to do it. Come on, gang.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get Grow Garden Script on the Delta Executor, guys, for iOS and Android. So this actually works. So this is a version of Delta Executor we're going to download with the Grow Garden Script. So to do that, all we have to do is go to the website tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, just go to the search bar and type in Delta, and go ahead and press install. And this will install it with the Grow Garden Script already on it. So I'm going to wait for this to download here, as you can see, but we're just going to let it download, so it shouldn't take that long. So yeah, we'll just let it load. So I'm going to wait for this to load. So as you can see, it's loading up right now. So the last step is going to be the verification. So we just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. 100% free. I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says missing files, so you just have to download 2 of these apps. You can see like DraftKings Casino, Mode Casino. There's a video if you're confused, but yeah, this actually works, guys. So there's the website, tweakmod.com, so be sure to get down over there if you're broke and you need the Delta Executor with Grow Garden Script for free. So yeah, try it out, guys. This is legit. One thing is, make sure you go to settings and keep low power mode off. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed it, definitely try it out though, because this actually works. So yeah, so tweakmod.com, guys, that's the website. So yeah, this is super cool, and yeah, this is just insane, bro. It actually works. No jailbreak. Just make sure you got low power mode off and background app refresh on. You're gonna be good to go, guys. But other than that, you should be all good to go. This is super wild, and I'm going to see you guys in another video. So if this video works, you guys, tell me in the comments. I'll get back to you, and I'll make more videos because I'm a helper, and that's what I want to do. I want to help you guys out. So, yeah, this is super cool, and fully updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how I get it for your device. So, yeah. So, yeah, this is the fully working Delta Executor. All the stuff is here. And it's super cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Had no jailbreaking needs or anything like that. But yeah, it's super crazy, honestly. Fully works. No jailbreak. So I think it's going to work for you guys too. So try it out right now.